If you are experiencing issues with the Valorant update getting stuck, follow these simple steps to resolve the problem and get back to playing. Step 1. Restart the game. Close Valorant completely and restart it. Sometimes, a simple restart can clear up any temporary glitches causing the update to hang. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. A weak or intermittent connection can cause updates to stall. Try resetting your router or switching to a wired connection if possible. Step 3. Run as administrator. Right-click on the Valorant shortcut and select Run as Administrator. This can help the game gain the necessary permissions to complete the update process. Step 4. Disable antivirus/firewall. Temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall software as they may be blocking the update. After disabling, try to update Valorant again. Remember to re-enable your security software afterward. Step 5. Reinstall Valorant. If all else fails, uninstall and then reinstall Valorant. This will ensure that you have the latest version of the game and can resolve any corrupted files that may be causing the update to get stuck. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with the Valorant update. Enjoy your game.